Okay, this is a fairly simple idea. You may recognize what this is. It's the top of a milk bottle, 4-pint milk carton bottle, whatever you want to call it. You cut the top off and it becomes a mask. The advantage with this mask is it's close fitting, but it's also got a breathing hole, a breathing tube underneath, which goes away from the outside air. So you've got that. You can get another piece of tubing. There are lots of bits this size, and you can extend that. So what you have is a mask where you're breathing from under your clothing rather than the outside air. This has some advantages. You can actually remove the cap to fit 2 rubber bands, so that you've got a device that very quickly clips on. You don't have to wear it all the time. Obviously, if you're outside, you don't feel you're at risk, you don't need to wear a mask. You may be going into a close confinement area, going in to do some shopping where you feel that you do need a mask. You can quickly flip this on. You can press it in like close fitting masks that they use in hospitals. You can press in and you can actually hold the nozzle at the end to check that it's fully fitting. Because the material's flexible, it pushes into your face. It makes a seal. So you've got some. You can't hear very well, that's the only thing about it. You've got something that's close fitting, you're not breathing the outside air. In addition to this, if you want to be slightly more careful, you can use a conventional mask. So, the advantage of this is that you're not breathing outside air. Your mask as well can be cleaned off. You can spray it. You're not using the mask, your outside mask, as something that's part of your breathing. It's just a cover. So you can be less precious about how you use your outside mask. And when you don't need to use it, it comes off quite easily. And you can actually use it as a pipe. But obviously you can't smoke. Any thoughts on this idea? Is it going to save my life? Is it going to save other people's lives? I don't know. It's worth thinking about. Thank you.